Hi, I'm Filip Postek. Welcome to the world of Airbnb, where we make property management seamless and profitable for you, even if you're miles away. With Airbnb, you can transform your property into a lucrative short-term rental, offering unique experiences to guests from around the globe. Unlike traditional long-term leases, Airbnb's flexible model allows for dynamic pricing, which can lead to higher earnings, especially during peak seasons and local events. The estimated annual return is around 15%, which is triple that of traditional rental income. Our comprehensive management services mean you can enjoy the benefits of being an Airbnb host without any of the usual stress. We handle everything from guest communications to property maintenance, ensuring your guests have an exceptional stay and your property remains in top condition. Plus, with our expertly crafted listings and strategic marketing, your property will attract a steady flow of bookings. The best part, you can manage and monitor your Airbnb remotely. Whether you're on a beach, in a boardroom, or simply at home, our intuitive platform keeps you connected and in control. So, embark on this journey with us, where convenience meets profitability and your property unlocks its true potential. Airbnb is where every property tells a unique story and every host enjoys the freedom of remote management. Find our contact info in description of this video or visit us at armoniaairbnb.com. Thank you.